strict pull-ups. For your strict pull-ups in this video, we're going to demonstrate the regular strict pull-ups and then the banded strict pull-ups. Okay, for the regular strict pull-ups, you're going to step up onto an elevator surface and hang on a bar where you can hang without touching your feet on the ground. So starting from the dead hang position, you're going to hang your middle fingers just outside shoulder width, and ideally try to get your knuckles over the bar in order to maximize your pulling strength. So from there, you're going to squeeze your abs, squeeze your butt, squeeze your quads, have your body nice and straight, and you're going to pull yourself up, finish with your chin over the bar, and then come down slowly. So again, start from the dead hang position, pull yourself up, finish with the chin over the bar, and then descend slowly, contract coming down as well, as to avoid swinging as you come down. Right, for your banded pull-ups, you're going to step up onto the elevator surface again, and place your foot in the bend, and you can keep your feet together, or you can cross your legs, that's up to you. Same grip, start from your elbow extension position, and you're going to pull yourself up. Finish with your chin over the bar every time, and breathe out as you finish off the pull. Right, these are your strict pull-ups.